Did your camera get inverted on Messenger on your iPhone? No worries, here's a quick troubleshooting guide on how to fix the inverted camera error on your iPhone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app. Open the App Store, tap Search, type the app. If there is any update available, then update the app. And if there is no update, then try the next process. Solution 2. Enable camera access for your Messenger app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Privacy and Security, tap Camera. Enable the camera option for your Messenger app, or go back to the main settings. Scroll down and find the Messenger app. Enable camera settings. Also enable background app refresh. After that, check your issues. If you still have the issue, then try the next solution. Solution 3. Offload the app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap iPhone Storage. Find out the app. Tap Offload again. Tap Reinstall. Now check again. Now your problem should be solved. If you found this video helpful, then hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then please ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.